I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shish kabobs in the oven. First, select your favorite meats and vegetables, cutting them into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Marinate your meat for at least 30 minutes to infuse it with delicious flavor. While marinating, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper preparation is key to tender, juicy kabobs, making this initial step crucial for a successful meal. Next, carefully thread your prepared ingredients onto skewers, alternating between meat and vegetables. Remember to leave a small space, about 1/8 of an inch, between each piece. This allows for better air circulation and more even cooking. Arrange the assembled skewers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil. Bake them for an initial 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through to ensure both sides cook beautifully. To ensure your kabobs are perfectly cooked, check the internal temperature of the meat. Chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, while beef and lamb can be cooked to your preferred doneness, typically 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium-rare result. Vegetables should appear tender crisp with a slight caramelization. If you desire extra browning, you can broil them for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, keeping a close eye to prevent burning. Once cooked, carefully remove the hot skewers from the oven. It's important to let your delicious kabobs rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. Serve them immediately with your favorite sides, such as fluffy rice, warm pita bread, or a crisp, fresh salad. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro adds a wonderful finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.